Welcome to another Tom's DIY video. This time we replace a speaker surround. My Paradigm PDR12 subwoofer started making a rattling sound. The front of this speaker is not removable, so it is necessary to access the speaker from the back. Remove the screws holding the amplifier in place. Remove it and disconnect the attached wires. Remember to label the wires and connections. Take out the insulation, then reach in and remove the screws holding the speaker in place. A stubby screwdriver works best. Lift the speaker out, turning it sideways to fit it through the opening in the cabinet back. The surround had deteriorated badly. The speaker manufacturer no longer had replacement parts available. I searched the internet and found replacement surrounds for many different speakers. I chose this kit in the US because it not only contained the surround, but also special glue, shims to center the voice coil, and a replacement voice coil cover. An instruction sheet was also included. Remove the gasket carefully by prying it off with a utility knife and flat screwdriver. Any delamination can be glued back together with wood glue. The old surround needs to be completely removed, as well as the voice coil cover. Remove the voice coil cover last to keep debris out of it. Clean the cone lip and speaker frame with acetone. Insert the shims in 4 places in the gap to center the voice coil. Apply the glue to the cone perimeter and spread it out over the contact area with your finger. It seemed to soak in, so I applied a second coat to ensure a good bond. Place the surround and gently press it into the glue. Let dry for 24 hours. Then lift the edge of the surround and apply glue to the speaker frame all around the perimeter and gently press the surround into the glue. Let dry overnight. Glue the gasket on, lining up the notches with the screw holes in the frame. Remove the shims from the voice coil and vacuum out any debris. Glue the voice coil cover on and let dry thoroughly. Reinstall the speaker into the cabinet. Connect the wires and reinstall the amplifier. Don't forget to replace the insulation